Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's look at another question from the DP-700 exam. In this video, we're solving a DP-700 case study question. And first, don't panic. Case studies always look long. But here's the trick. You filter the noise. Let me summarize this entire case study in 30 seconds. Litware is a publishing company. They use Microsoft Fabric. They have a warehouse used for reporting. Sales data is stored in a table called AuthorSales. Authors log in using their email address. There is a column called Author Email. And authors must see only their own sales data. That's it. Everything else in the case study: streaming, SEO, S3, images. That's all context, not part of the question. The actual requirement is this one line. You need to ensure that authors can see only their respective sales data. And that is a textbook definition of row-level security, RLS. So this case study is testing whether you know how RLS is implemented and which code pieces are required. Now let's look at the code. We are completing 3 blanks, and the available values include INLINE, schema binding, username, AuthorSales, author email, AuthorSales.authoremail, filter, block. Okay, now let's fill the blanks one by one. First, blank number 1. Row-level security in SQL requires an inline table-valued function. For row-level security, the predicate function must be created with schema binding. SQL Server and Fabric require this, so the function cannot be modified in a way that breaks security. So the first blank must be schema binding. Now, blank number 2. Authors authenticate using their email address. Fabric exposes the logged-in user using username. So we compare the author email column with the currently logged-in user. That's exactly how user-based filtering works. Now, blank number 3. The RLS policy must be applied to the table that stores the sales data. And that table is AuthorSales. So with that, the blanks are complete, and this becomes the final working solution. Before we finish, here's a golden DP-700 case study rule. When a case study looks huge, ignore architecture noise. Look for the single security or performance requirement, and answer only for that requirement. For users see only their data based on email, warehouse, or SQL. Your brain should immediately jump to RLS plus user as name. If this video helped you understand how to attack DP-700 case studies, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment next for the next case study question. See you in the next one.